Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful paper craft flower. For this design, I've used vibrant pink and green paper to create a layered flower with textured petals. You can see the green leaves in the background, which add a lovely contrast to the bright pink flower in the center. For the main flower, I've created a pleated, circular layer, which gives it an elegant, dimensional look. I also added smaller petals and a rolled paper bud in the middle to finish it off. To make this, all you need is some colored paper, scissors, glue, and a bit of creativity. First, fold the paper into pleats to make the leaves and flower petals. Then arrange and glue them together to form the layers. Adding that little rolled paper in the center really gives it a unique, finished touch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.